How to show line numbers in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the easiest way. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. Okay, so just open your Google Docs file, go to the format, and here you can see the option called, okay, go to the tools, and here you can see the option called line numbers, or you can simply go here, or you can, okay, you can select all text. You have to select all text. You can click on this option, and you can, select the any format from here. Okay, or you can just go to the tools, go to the show the line numbers, click on show the line numbers, then line numbers will be show you. Now here you can see the option called line number mode. You can restart the each page, like if you have second page, you have content in second page, then content on second page it will be restart from 1 to 3. And also you can restart each section. Okay, section means if you have two section in one page, it will be restart with each section, or you can select an entire document. Okay, so that is how you can show the numbers in numbers line in Google Docs. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.